Hi, my name is Robe, and I was born in China. I've lived in several different parts of China and learned to cook many different styles of Chinese food. I've lived in the US now for several years, and I've learned to cook many Western-style dishes as well. Today, I would like to share one of my recipes with you. So please have a seat and welcome to Auntie Yum Yum's kitchen. Today we're going to cook some Mapo Tofu. Mapo Tofu is a very famous Szechuan dish. So first of all, let's cut some green onion to some fine pieces. And just set them aside. And now some garlic. I usually peel the garlic by chopping off the end, then peel from the tail. Usually it's much easier this way. And then crush the garlic for easy chopping. Now let's get some ginger ready. So for ginger, usually I would peel it to avoid getting the brown discoloration inside. You don't want to eat those. So slice them first, and then shred them, and then dice them. So these are the three key ingredients. I call this 3G, green onion, garlic, and ginger. That's very key ingredients for Szechuan dishes. And let's get some cilantro ready as well. Just slice it to small pieces for garnish. So for making this Mapo Tofu, you want to use the soft tofu, not the firm one, not the silky one, but the soft tofu. The texture of this is perfect for this dish. It's almost melted in your mouth. And then cut them to smaller, even pieces first. And then set them aside. So now let's cut some pork. I prefer to handle meat when they're halfway thawed. This will be so much easier to handle. So of course, for this dish, you can also use beef or chicken in there. So dice this one to small pieces. Fava bean is also called the broad bean. They're pretty big. They're like the size of the thumbnail, so you might want to chop it to small pieces. It has a very unique flavor. For this dish, you might want to have this. And you can find this in a lot of grocery stores, like Asian grocery stores. Now put some oil in the wok and just turn the medium heat, it will be fine. Add some ginger and garlic in there first. You don't want to put green onion in there yet. You don't want to overcook the green onion. So put the pork in there first. Now saute them together. And once the pork all turned to light brown color, and you put the fava bean sauce in there and fry them together. Now the meat is soaked with the fava bean chili sauce. Add some sugar and soy sauce to it. And add some water, and then put tofu in there. And then stir them really well, carefully. And then put some chicken bouillon in there put the lid on and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. So now the tofu is thoroughly cooked with the meat sauce. Add the starch water to it, little by little. And once it's thickened, add some more. So when the starch is all thoroughly cooked, add some sesame oil to it. Now you put green onion in there. Okay, so take them out of the wok. Now add some Szechuan brown pepper. This brown pepper can add another layer of spiciness to it. It's very unique. Now put cilantro on top. Now enjoy your Mapo Tofu.